Hello. In this video, we will take a look at the main functions of your homepage. This is the page you access when you log on. The content you will find here can be customized or organized in different ways. On the left, the navigation area allows you to submit a new initiative, return to the homepage at any time, track the various actions to be taken, explore initiatives, create reports, and access the platform's administration tools. Only users with an admin profile can view and access this tab. In the center, there are 3 sections highlighting the main actions of the application. The first one shows you the number of actions assigned to you and any overdue tasks. Its interactive areas allow you to view the list. The second gives you direct access to the initiatives you've submitted and also allows you to submit a new one. The third lets you find all the initiatives or search for them using keywords or references. The ability to access your shortcuts directly from your homepage is a highly appreciated feature. It's the perfect way to find all the information you're interested in with just one click. In another video, we'll see how to easily create and organize your shortcuts. You can also view the plans, which are the big boxes or different playgrounds where initiatives are organized. You'll also find personalized messages according to your company's needs. Finally, at the top right corner, you will find a quick search button, the ability to change the application language, and your personal menu where you can view or manage your profile. Configure your preferences such as email notifications or homepage personalization, or change your password. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon.